Have you wondered how those Rico animations make their videos look so smooth? In this video, I will show you exactly the step-by-step method to how to animate tail movement in FlipaClip using free images. Even if you're a beginner, make sure you follow me and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials every week. Alright, let's get started on showing you how I created this animation. Alright, the first step is for you to go to Play Store, download FlipaClip on your phone, then click on that plus icon. Let's get started. Then you have to name your project. Okay, so you have to name your animation. Okay, so click on name your animation. Okay, so I'm going to name this animation. I'll call it Rico Tail animation. Okay, that is what we are going to be doing. We're going to animate tail movement. Okay, then click on that background icon so that we can import our background. Okay, so I'll click on the background image icon over there for me to import a background. So I have an app I use to get all my background. So the Rico Cartoons app gives me all the background and the character images I need for animation. So I'll click on the background, the toilet background. Okay, so here is the toilet background. Then I have to mark it good. Okay, yes, I have to mark it good so that I can import it into my project. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is for us to set up our canvas size. So canvas size means aspect ratio. So this video is for YouTube, so I'm going to set the aspect ratio to YouTube 1080p. That will give us 1920 by 1080 normal landscape for YouTube videos. Then I'll click on create project. So let's just get started with today's animation. Then the next thing we need to do now is very simple, something that we need to do. We need to click on that three dots over there and add the Rico images that we'll be using for this animation. Okay, so I'm going to click on add image for us to add the image. Okay, so from the Rico Cartoons app, I downloaded the image of the tail movement. So we have three images here. So this is the image of what we are going to be using. Okay, I created this Rico character using the free Rico Cartoons app on my phone. If you want to get access to all the Rico characters, background and object designed for animation, you can join my 2D and Rico animation class. Once you join, I will send you the app and show you step by step how to animate characters on your phone or your laptop, okay, and how to create smooth movements and even how to monetize your animation skills. I also teach how to make your own characters and bring it to life. So to get the Rico Cartoons app and start learning, click the link in the description of this video or drop a comment saying I'm interested. I will send the app to you directly. Okay, so now we have import the character. Then we need to stage the character because staging is very important principles of animation. So use your lasso to select the character, then stage it. So for you to stage the character, it's supposed to be at the center of the screen. So stage your character for it to be at the center of the screen. It should not be too big, so it should just average half the size of a door. Okay, just make the dog half the size of the door. Okay, make it stand on a neutral ground. Okay, so you can see the tail movement. So this tail movement you are seeing now is what is the exaggeration. Okay, we added a motion when the motion effect to it, so that is the exaggeration part of the animation. Okay, so at this point this animation is very easy. So for you to achieve a tail movement, you need three poses. Okay, so let me add the new pose, the new frame. The previous frame was the tail was in the middle, so the frame you need now is left and right, so that it bounces from left to the center to the right and then moves back to the first left. So that is what you are going to do. So since we have added the middle tail, so our second image is going to be what the tail will move to the left. So that is the animation for you. So animation, the first one will be in the middle, second one will be at the left. Okay, and very important, you need to stage the character again. Okay, so the tail is meant to move to the left, so that moving to the left is what is the animation part of it. So you make your tail move to the left so that it will look as if the tail is moving in a in a random, like follow through animation and overlapping, so moving left and right, left and right. So as it is moving, the part of the body is also following it, so that is part of follow through animation. As the tail moves, part of the body is following it. You can see now from the image, you can see the image, so it moves to the left, the body also follows it and move to the left. So that is if you are enjoying this tutorial, remember I post new tutorials every week to help you master FlipaClip and 2D animation on your phone and laptop. My goal is to keep teaching you until you become a professional animator. So please support me by liking this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. It really helped me to keep creating these tutorials for you. So follow through animation for you. So part of the body will also move to support the main tail action. Okay, then this frame 3 now we are adding now is going to be the end frame. But this frame 3 now, you will see that the tail move to what? The tail move to the right. So we also apply arc. Very important. See, the tail move to the right. So because of we applied arc movement, you see that this thing now, this tail movement follows an arc. It's not moving in a straight line. No, it is moving in a circular path. Okay, yes, it is moving in a circular path. So this will give you a fluid and professional animation. You see, it is following an arc. Very, very important. So it's now moving on the angle of angle 120, angle 180 degrees. You see, so add the dog, make it to match properly. The legs supposed to be on the same place to ensure consistent character. Okay. So after doing this thing, after adjusting, just take your time, adjust the dog for it to be consistent. Let it be on the same neutral ground, no extra movement. Okay, so we now have the arc movement going on. Then the next thing now is, let us play the video. you see the bouncing effect of the tail movement from left to the right with the exaggeration pose. Then click on that red dot, go to frame viewers. Okay, so now we need to time this animation. How long do you want this animation to last? I mean the duration. So we added only 3 frames, but we are going to copy all these 3 frames and then copy and paste it until we have a very long animation. You see, so you don't need to stress yourself in animation. Just add the key poses, copy it, and then keep on doing copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste until you are able to finish off with your animation. Very easy. When you finish, then click on that backspace. Okay, so guys, we are done. So if you have music of dog, you can add the sound. So this music icon is where you add sound, but I will not be adding the sound because the video is too long already. So click on that red dot, let us export the animation that we created. Okay, then click on make movie. Okay, so now you can see my FlipaClip is a premium version. They are not showing watermark. So this is Rico Cartoons animation. If you want to get this premium FlipaClip, drop a comment saying I'm interested. I will send the app to you directly. Okay, so click on make movie. The video is already exported. Depending on the length of the video, it may take some time, so you just have to wait patiently for it to export. Probably put up your music and be playing music. Limpopo, oya Limpopo, I say Limpopo, baby. So guys, just chill, okay, chill. So guys, the video is done exporting, so you can now share your video on your platform, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and get massive views. So let us play the video. Wow, you just saw the animation we created. Animation is very easy, more than you think. Okay, there are simple ways to make cartoon videos go viral, just like Rico Animations. If you want to learn step by step, I'm personally inviting you to join my 2D and Rico Animation class. When you join, you will get access to all the animation apps and software for free, and including the Rico Cartoons app, FlipaClip Premium, Moho Pro. I'll also coach you one-on-one, show you how to rig your characters, how to animate smooth movements, even how to create your own 2D and Rico characters. Yes, and also how to monetize your content. I also connect my students to animation job opportunities, okay, for animation studios. So if you want to join the class, use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me from there to get started learning. Also, if you want to support my tutorial, join my Patreon membership. You will get all the 2D and 3D animation assets, including characters, background, and objects ready for your project. Links are in the description. I post new tutorials every week, so please, I'm begging, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it. Comment below what topic should I teach in my next tutorial. I will read all the comments and it helps me to grow the channels. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want to keep learning, I have done over 50 Rico Animation tutorials on this channel in a playlist called Rico Animation Tutorial Playlist. Check it out in the description. links is there, and keep learning and improving your animation skills. Let's keep creating amazing things together.